Hey guys, Carrie from Carrie Buys Houses. I'm sorry I have not released any videos in a while. We are kicking it up and we're going to start releasing videos every single week starting today. And today we're actually going to be starting our three-part series to staging a house. And we buy and sell a lot of properties. A lot of these properties we sell retail, and we never put it on the market until we do a light staging. If this is a high-end home, we're going to do furniture as well. This house we're going to be selling for $450,000. And actually, if you go onto the Carrie Buys Houses page, there's a tab there with all of our properties coming soon, so you can get a little sneak preview of this house. So this is 5 steps to staging a kitchen. And step number 1 is don't go crazy. Go simple. If you put too much stuff in the kitchen, you're going to distract people from the highlights of the kitchen, which is the nice granite, the stainless steel appliances, the new cabinets. So don't go crazy in the kitchen, just do some simple stuff. 2, life begins with a bottle of wine. So you want to do something with wine, make it cozy. We like to do like a little tray here with some wine bottles. People get the vision that they're going to take their wine out to the patio out here, and they're going to go drink their bottle of wine under the stars by the pool. It just creates a nice visual. Step number 3 is to add some things like this nice little home sign. Make sure you don't leave phones with your staging, but like a nice little home sign. It just kind of creates this like cozy feeling that they are home when they walk into this house. Step number 4, so I like to do little vinegar bottles. We do like little macaronis, some, like a little basket of fruit, and this will inspire their inner chef when they come into the house. Maybe they don't cook, maybe they do, but they're going to start to visualize entertaining people in this kitchen, cooking for their family. You want to create that vision for them. And then step number 5, if you have glass cabinets like we put in this house, don't put like fruity pebbles in there. Don't put something ugly in there. This is like a showcase. When someone comes into the house, these cabinets really stand out. So you want to put something really decorative in there. So we just put like a couple of glasses of wine. Again, wine, love wine. Some wine glasses. And that just makes them feel like this is their showcase cabinet here. So that's it for today. This is 5 steps to staging a kitchen. And please guys, if you like these videos, tell your friends about them, share them with others, and subscribe to all of our social media channels. We've got YouTube, Facebook, and we're gonna be again releasing all these videos every single week going forward. And if you or anyone you know is interested in selling their house, they can go to carriebuysHouses.com, fill out the contact form, and we will get back to them within 48 hours. That's it for today. Thanks so much for tuning in, and I will see you next week.